What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing a new game that just came out. It's a game about like fixing consoles, so it's gonna be pretty fun. You know, you get your own little store in Tokyo where you like fix game consoles, mobile phones. You know, you learn how to fix stuff. You know, so this is like my first time ever uploading a video on YouTube. So I hope that I'm doing like great. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. All right. So yeah, guys, we're gonna like start now. This is now the final version of the game. We know that. We know that already. That's not like something new. Okay, it's loading. Gotta wait, guys. Hold on. Tokyo, early 2000s. My first day in the repair shop. Right, what do we gotta do now? Ooh, we get a little list with a little cute cat, man. That's so cute. So cute. Alright, we gotta clean up the work area, sort out inventory and throw away boxes, open the repair shop. Okay, we're gonna throw away these little things right here. That's like trash. Ew. Gross. Put one down. We gotta sort out these things. These little... Are those like... Is that stuff for like painting? Paintbrushes or some shit? What the hell? We're gonna throw away the trash. Sort out inventory and throw away boxes. Okay, sort out the inventory. How do I do that? Save and end my day. So that's how you save like your game. Okay. Disk is empty. Put any device on the disk. Alright, so I think that we're good. Or no. There's more trash that we gotta go through. We got a tip jar. Alright, that's good. That's some good stuff. Alright, this is not trash, definitely, because, like, those are, like, some cleaning tools that we can clean later, no? I don't know. Did I just, like, throw away everything? Yeah, I did. It's kind of messed up. Alright. Sort out inventory and throw away boxes. Alright, let's just open the shop. Open shop. Ooh. We got a computer. Oh, somebody came in. Alright, how are you getting on? Cleaning up and hear about rent. As we agreed 2,000 yens per week. Yes. By the way, here I found a phone. I don't know whose, but it's fine now. Everything here is mine, although it doesn't turn on. How much will it cost to repair it? What an arrogant prick. The first customer gets free service to celebrate the opening. Nah, we don't work like that. This is business, man. We're doing some real business, bro. We're not playing. 6,000, yeah. Might as well offer to do it for free. Take 7,500. At least we'll go out of business like the last master. When you're done, put the phone on the counter. I'll be around here somewhere. Alright. Hashimoto. Y'all heard that, man? Some Japanese accent right there, bro. Yeah, Hashimoto, 7,500 yen. Alright, we put it on the table. Okay. Okay. Man, I think that my grandpa had one of these. I'm not even trolling, like my grandpa had like a Nokia like this huge. When I was a kid, I used to play like this little ball game with it where you could like go around, do some missions. It's like Super Mario, but like with like a little ball. Yeah, it was pretty fun. We take out this part, we put it there. Alright, so we gotta first like analyze what the issue with the phone is. Okay, we gotta take out the back of the phone. Oh, we can clean it. Remove dirt. Yeah, damn, man. It was so dirty that you couldn't even see the actual color of the phone. Alright, now, the other part. Let's clean the other part. Oh, we can like flip the phone. Bruh. Alright. Alright, it's pretty clean. we still gotta clean like we gotta flip over the back cover of the phone. God damn, man. What a dirty freaking person that was using this. Okay, we gotta take out the screen. That screen is huge, man. Like, what the hell? Oh, there's a little number on the phone. Is that somebody's, like, phone number? No. It's way too... Oh, it might be is. So what is this? It's like a little... Okay, this is the battery. Gonna take out the battery. Clean it. Okay. Screen frame, how to reassemble. Okay. Flip this over. We're gonna take out the screws first. Second screw. I think this is like the speaker. Yeah, it is. Okay, we take out this part. This is like an actual like repair freaking video. What the hell? Don't we take them? We take them apart, no? But why does it still look like this? Oh, we gotta take out the keyboard. I think it's better if we keep everything like sort of organized or like closer to each other, so we don't really like miss that later on the, so I don't like forget what I put everything. Okay, looks good. God damn, it's so hard to control, man. Okay, what do we gotta take out now? Oh, we got more screws to take out. Alright, we got 4. No, we got like 4 now. 5, 6 screws in total. Alright. Now we're getting into the actual phone, man. Alright, it's not like that hard to reassemble. Got a few screws and everything. Okay, now what? I'm confused. Oh, we gotta clean up these parts. Okay. Okay. The other part of the keyboard. Okay. We're doing great. Now, what do we gotta do, man? Days worked on. Okay. Service is clean. That's it. We just wanted to clean the phone. I thought we're gonna have to do like something, I don't know, something like harder. Right, we gotta screw in these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keyboard. Other part of the keyboard. Screen. Speaker. This part. Okay, we gotta put on the battery. Alright. But I'm curious about this note. Is it like some kind of an Easter egg? What if we tried to actually like call this number? I'm starting to wonder what country is like, what country's like code is 269. Could it be Japan? Maybe. I think so. I might need to check later, but like, I think it might be like Japan. So let's see, guys, what we gotta do now. We gotta like put in the cover of the phone on top, right? Oh, we gotta screw these in. Don't these like come out afterwards? Or no. It's all good now. Perfect. Oh. I was about to mess up. Alright. Mr. How do I give it to him? Hashimoto. Okay. Mr. Hashimoto, pack the order for him. How do I said that? Okay. Can't stand occupy the noise, the crowds, but it's more peaceful here with you. Is the phone ready? I don't have my. It's already ready, man. That's what I told you, bruh. Just hand over the phone. Mention the paper with a number on it. Just don't hand over the phone. Is it on the market lamp? Oh shit! I should have just like told them about the number on it. There was an incident last night. Somebody broke into a store, ransacked everything, and stole some expensive equipment. My son was on the scene. He came home angry and wet. He provides security for various rates too, but we'll discuss that later. I mean, it's money. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's money. I just want money, bruh. I don't want nothing else. I just want money. That's great. Excuse the intrusion. I hope I didn't scare you. The last master always got scared. I live directly above you. Oh, it's a little talking bucket. Taking part in an online Pac-Man championship on my old Atari 2600, but my joystick broke and I'm so close to the record. No problem, man. Just give it to me and I'm gonna fix it for you. Sure, yeah. Just take the rope if you agree. Thank you. Take the rope. Yep. Ding. Baketsu. 4,000 yen? Okay, so which one of these am I supposed to repair? You know what, guys? Let's just do this on the next video. I hope y'all are. I hope that you guys have had fun, like, watching me play this game. If you guys like this series of videos, drop a like and a comment. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Yeah.